Yeah.
I told you.
I'll break it again.
Dude, you're gonna get sued, man.
I don't care.
You're gonna
I don't
get
have
sued.
anything to my name. I'll break it.
Dude,
Get that thing out of my face.
no no expectation of privacy in public, dude.
I don't care about the camera. Get in the fucking car. Get in the car.
You hit me right in the nuts, man. Damn.
Hey, can you call the cops? Can someone call the cops?
Yeah,
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. This guy just broke my. This guy broke my. I got it. I got the license plate.
You know what, dude? Stop filming and just let me.
Hey, this guy just broke all my man.
I don't know what the hell's going on here.
You're just taking him away. He just committed a crime, battery, and grand theft, vandalism, and he's just getting away. Cops are on the way. I already got your license plate. I already got your license plate. I got video of this guy doing it.
Hey, dude.
Go ahead.
Dickhead. I'm sorry. You grab my phone. I'm not even in this, dog.
You have this guy's phone?
In this, dog. No, but you grab my hand out of nowhere, bro. Dude, you, dog. And this guy wasn't even here when his hat got stolen. Whoever stole his hat. Hey,
This guy gets real brave and when his dad or whatever comes in. Idiot.
dude, you're gonna get sued. 9BRL 352.
I got it. I got it. Hey, you got the cop? Where's the guy with?
Fucking dude hit me right in the nuts when he hit your. I know you got a video.
Did you already call the cops or no?
I didn't.
You didn't? Okay, for sure.
My bad.
No, it's all
I
good.
don't want to get involved with it.
I'll find
I don't
him.
want to get involved with it, honestly. But
I'll find him.
If you guys, I know you got a video, but
Yeah,
if you need
I got the
another
full video.
He's got plenty of footage.
I got the full video.
Fuck
Yeah.
that guy. That guy grabbed my phone out of. I wasn't even a part of it, and that guy fucking got my phone.
He broke my dude.
That's part of your stuff, dude.
Yeah.
I'll look around. Battery. There's a battery and
Fuck, I don't know what that battery goes to.
I don't know. It's your stuff, I'm sure. It wasn't there before.
Oh.